Hello, dear man, right? I hope you would be doing great and keeping yourself safe and fit. Now, this week we have come with another physical workout video and we'll be doing legs and core workout this week. So, here we start. The first exercise is around the lunges. In this exercise, each time you have to lunge properly around the body as you move your legs. So, first we'll start with the right leg. As you can see in the video, first you have to lunge forward. Now go for sideward lunges. Now go for backward lunges. In each lunges, you'll be bending your elbow, which will help you to make more stable while doing the exercise. Now perform the same exercise with your left leg. Lunge forward. Now go for sideward lunges. Now go for backward lunges. In each lunges, try to make your body balance. That's the more important. This exercise will mainly help you to deal with your lower back pain and as well as to improve your body balance and posture. Now the second exercise is inline squat. In this exercise, you have to stand properly, feel apart according to the shoulder width, and then bring your both arms in front of your chest. If possible, try to make a marker in front of your initial position. This exercise will help you to build your leg muscles like quadriceps muscles, hamstring, calves. It will also enhance your lower body strength. Make sure while doing this squat your back should be straight, your knee would be making the angle of 90 degrees. Now the third exercise is lunges and squat with jump. You have to perform this exercise with the jump. First you have to perform alternate lunges with the jump and then simultaneously come in squat position. Here we go. First right, left, then squat. This exercise will help you to reduce your lower body weight. It will also put a good impact on building the muscles of whole body, especially on the hip region, and also it will help to improve overall fitness and burn more fat accumulation. Now the fourth exercise is knee raise with lunges. In this exercise, you have to stand properly, keep your arms in front of your chest. Every time you have to bring your knee up and try to touch your elbow to the knee. Make sure your knee will be making an angle of 90 degrees. This exercise will really help you to work for the larger muscles in your lower body, which builds lean muscles and reduce body fat. Now this is the first exercise for your core workout. In this exercise, you have to lie down in a supine position on a mat or any soft surface. Keep your both arms beside your body and bring your head up. And after bringing your head up, start raising your leg alternate. Make sure throughout the exercise you won't allow your head to touch the surface. This exercise will really help you to strengthen core muscles and improve the flexibility of both your abdomen areas and hip areas. This also lowers the risk of back injuries. Now the second core exercise is modified crunches. In this exercise, first you have to lie down on your back, then bend your both legs and start crunches. In each crunches, you have to try to touch your calves diagonally. As you can see in the video, you have to come up to touch your calf and go down. Make sure while going down, your head should not touch to the ground. These kind of exercise like crunches or sit-ups do not especially burn fat, helpful to make your belly more flatter and more toned. Now move to another exercise, seated oblique twist. In this exercise, you have to sit in a long sitting position. Now bend your knees and start twisting your upper body side to side. Right, left, right, left. In each time, as you twist your upper body sideward, simultaneously you need to touch the surface with your both hands, because the extra force will put more impact on your abdomen region. The oblique twist is really a great exercise to work many muscles in your core body. It adds more tension to the core muscles. It also puts a lot of impact on the internal and external oblique. Now the fourth exercise of your core workout is elevated crunches. You have to be in a long sitting position. Place your both hands beside your hip. Raise your upper body and lower body up to the 60 degree. Now each time try to bring your head and knee towards the center of your body. Each time you have to open your body and then squeeze it. This exercise will really help you to give strength to your core muscles, to give you more balance and stability, improve your posture and flexibility, reduce the risk of back pain and injury. So now today's session is over. The repetitions and sets are already mentioned in each video. So go according to the mentioned workout, and don't forget to do warm up and cool down part before the session and after the session. So thank you ManRight for watching the today's session. I hope you like the workout schedule and we'll go through it. Do well, keep yourself safe and fit. Thank you.